What is your type? What? Oh, why F? What the fuck's going on? Vacuum, XOR. This thing is only bools. How could you possibly be an F? Left. Wrong Vacuum, huh? Maybe it's Vacuum dying. Like, it's probably pulling in the wrong. It's a... I bet it's like a lens thing. What the fuck? Dying. Maybe I'm being too fancy with this lens bullshit. This is how they bring the men down. Like a plebeian, I have to use individual getters. What the hell? It's like name showing or something. What's going on? Image type dynamic T bool with bool. Dynamic T bool. Dynamic T bool. How? Am I missing something? I forgot to set an initial value, didn't I? Yeah. I'm an idiot. This all worked perfectly. 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 Ha 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 ha. Perfectly, I said. Okay. Now I'm gonna hide the shit. Haskell errors are the best. Exactly. Hi Lumi! What's up? We know that FO is supposed to be arrow. Yeah. Well, you know, function is also a functor. So, I mean, a function is also a monad reader, and a function is also a monad, apparently. Yes, it's also a functor. I'm a bit distraught at this point. Let's see. So we have then the table thing. Oh. Table result, blah blah blah. What are you getting? Pagination settings. That's the one we want. Because we put it in here as a dynamic. Now we need to apply to every row. And I think a row also gets it. Let's look at the row. Hopefully. It will be easy. And we're done, basically. No! That'd be crazy. Don't have. Oh no, that's a head row. Don't have. Yeah, we need to extend the arguments or something. a function. For a function f a b c, you say it's contravariant a b and covariant on c. I think it, yeah, because you can rewrite it as a tuple. This is a tuple. Because you can do that curry stuff. Actually, it turns out that currying is pretty useless. At least I've only ever used uncurry. But yeah. But it changes if you do like... It becomes weird if you do like F, A, B, C. But if you do like this, oh, it starts flipping. But this isn't positive and this isn't positive. What type classes require contravariant? What? Foldable. In lenses, you mean? If you imagine a type class diagram. Okay. Type class diagram with what kind of type classes? I don't know all this stuff by heart, you know. All type classes! Even that Boolean one I just showed. Even that one. Isn't that just a restricted reader? Are you talking about all type classes that are encoded in Haskell base or all possible type classes you could imagine? That's a good question. What a one-shot package. All type classes! One package, I suppose. Like, I couldn't put all this shit in my head, because everyone can invent their own type classes. Usually sometimes. Like semi-group? I had a discussion in a category theory. Except, yeah, what do you want to know actually? I forgot your question. You keep saying all type classes. Or what type classes require contravariant? We need to require contravariant. Type class. I think like this, the Scala people make a bigger deal out of type classes than we do in Haskell. I was just curious about contravariant, since contravariant is one of them. Since it's covariant one mostly deal with. No, once you start recognizing contravariant, you see it everywhere. Everywhere, all the things are contravariant. Like, you know, a logger, contravariant. A predicate, contravariant. Oh, it's everywhere. Even in a... Yeah. First link on Google search was the diagram. Oh, okay, I thought like a GitHub thing. What? Ash? Oh, is that a typo? The fuck? I suppose a hash is also contravariant, because you can put in anything you want in a hash, and then you get out a string of a fixed size, at least like a SHA. Well, you can also always a string out, sort of, a byte string maybe. The fuck? What is band? Semi-letters. What the fuck? What's all this shit? Well, there you have byte reverse. Reducible, foldable, reverse. So another thing is that like you can kind of sometimes split up these type classes, like applicative. You can split it up in app, and they don't do that. Oh, the inheritance goes like okay. Okay. I see. So this is the more abstract stuff, and this is the less abstract stuff. Applicative, more abstract. Yeah, apply. There you have it then. They actually did it probably the right way, because we did it wrong in Haskell. We didn't have apply. Oh fuck. I like this one. I mean, there's a lot of crap in here as well. I wouldn't be too worried about a lot of these. Oh, they highlighted the ones that are kind of important, I suppose. Yeah, more important. Not so important. More important. Yeah, alternative is also big, yeah. Hey, show and read has a relationship as well. You didn't even do read! What the fuck? Where's read? How do you do show without read? You can't do that. Bad. Thank God no read. But like, how do you do the laws without read? Well, the right way, probably the parametric category and all. Not easy to encode though. Wait, where's the loss? Where the fuck? Where's the loss? Are you telling me there are no laws? And again, you probably could also make a text show and make it better. Yeah, the problem was with the other one was that it got flagged by YouTube, so I looked up for another one. And I did it with a couple of songs actually. There's also Madoka Magica now. Hooray! I get all this shit working for me. I hope this doesn't get flagged. I actually don't want my things to be flagged. Yeah, actually I significantly reduced the amount of HM bias when I switched over to dub track, because I thought it was a bit much. I think it's a better balance now. More variation. Why do we need to import basically like you showed me that list or orders I've seen on the package? I think like they were pretty conservative with modules in general. But there are like alternative preludes if you want to use that stuff. If you don't want to import as much shit. But yeah, I do it as well. Lots of shit. You have these things, like you use it all the time, but you need to import it. I don't know. Like clashes are kind of annoying though. Oh, I haven't even configured it. What the hell? Oh, it thinks you're tank 184. Where's tank 184? There you go. Now you can send links, but it wasn't even linked. It was because of the dot. I should also fix that message, but not today. Well, maybe after stream. What was I doing? Raster row, right. We need to fix this. We can close this. Roster. Never mind the laws. There are laws, I think, with this show, but... Oh, it's in table, huh? Table. So, we have another problem. The row no longer will be the row. It used... What's your front end? Is in Haskell also? Yeah, the front end is Haskell. So, like, I have front end Haskell, back end Haskell, and combination goes with servant. So, like, the entire system is type checked, which is nice. This is front end. All this stuff is front end. I'm just only showing front end stuff here. Most of my work is apparently front end. Oh, that's a... What's the front end lib? Reflex, yeah. It's interesting, reflex. It's a pretty unique way of looking at front ends, I think. Compared to like existing stuff. It's not at all like Elm. Where's HTML? We have some HTML here somewhere. Somewhere. I have some HTML. Wait, we have it in a row. We have it in a row. Look at that, TD. It's a table cell. TD. TD class. How about that? It's a function. We make functions out of HTML. And then we use the M to collect all our HTML. It's pushed into the monad. So we have the magical do thing, and then we can do stuff to this M, which is defined by this thing. So like the M has restrictions, and then we can use functions on it. Different. Oh, that's a good idea, yeah. Probably would call it... No, never mind. What am I doing? I need to pass the settings, coordination settings, to the rows. Just do that, I think. It's fine. So where's rows? Where's the row? Well, there you go. I want to keep the same order, huh? So where do we open it? Here. Oh, we're already doing dynamic attribute stuff. That's fun.